Welcome to this Boardroom Explainer. Look, today we're jumping straight into something incredibly exciting, a highly lucrative $150 million strategic investment opportunity. We are taking a deep dive into what is engineered to be the world's most innovative real estate wealth management platform. So if you're an investor looking for a structured, deeply validated, and honestly unprecedented approach to global real estate, you are exactly in the right place.
We're talking about the Holol Real Estate Club. And let me be clear right out of the gate. This is not just another brokerage, and it's certainly not a simple property listing site. It is a revolutionary, fully integrated ecosystem. Think of it as the ultimate global nexus for real estate wealth management. And uniquely, it's backed by massive media and broadcasting power, which is designed to give it immediate, practically unstoppable market momentum from day one.
Our roadmap for today is pretty straightforward. We'll quickly cover the market shift, our comprehensive innovation, the elite marketing shield, financial realism, funding and expansion, and finally, the opportunity itself. Let's dive in.
All right, Section 1, the market shift.
So why are traditional real estate models falling flat for today's investors? Well, the game has totally changed. The market is undergoing a really clear, urgent shift right now. Success isn't about offering isolated property services anymore. Today's global investor is heavily influenced by digital and television media, and they absolutely demand seamless cross-border networks. Right now, there's a massive gaping hole in the market between traditional fragmented real estate companies and the modern need for a unified powerhouse platform.
Just think about the old way versus the new Hollow ecosystem. Traditional real estate relies on fragmented, single-income services. It's outdated. Hollow, on the other hand, merges professional memberships, specialized services, massive media reach, international exhibitions, and multi-revenue streams all into one single entity. Launching this project right now isn't just an option, it's a strategic necessity. We have a brief window to capture market leadership before this exact ecosystem model becomes the new industry standard.
Moving right along to Section 2, comprehensive innovation.
0%. Literally zero. That is our ultimate disruptor. A massive competitive advantage of this project is its zero-commission model. Hollow allows members to buy, sell, and rent properties without taking a percentage cut and without any middlemen. This move alone will save millions and millions of dollars for its elite members, which is going to instantly drive massive, widespread adoption.
And we're not just stopping at zero commissions. We're building a true wealth management fortress that provides over 20 seamless, highly professional services. We're talking about direct real estate exchange, direct financing, legal consultation, accurate property valuation, construction and finishing, property management, and even residency and immigration services. It is the whole shebang, perfectly integrated.
Which brings us to Section 3, and honestly, this is brilliant. The Elite Marketing Shield.
Check out this number, 150. This is an absolute world first. In Phase 1 alone, the club will formally partner with 150 elite sports clubs. That's exactly 10 major sports clubs from each of our initial 15 target countries. By integrating with the world's elite sports teams, Hollow creates an impenetrable, high-trust global marketing presence that a traditional real estate firm simply could never match.
And here is the other half of that equation. Alongside those elite sports teams, the project is locking in partnerships with 150 global investment banks. Again, 10 banks per target country. These institutions act as incredibly powerful strategic and marketing allies. This dual shield of elite sports and banking partnerships creates massive trust, gives us immediate access to high net worth clients, and heavily insulates your initial capital investment. It's a real game changer.
All right, Section 4, financial realism. Let's talk numbers. So, what's the target? Based on capturing 1.5 million members in our first phase, our target scenario aims for over $3.1 billion in annual revenue. How do we get there? Through a highly diversified model. We're projecting over $1 billion from tier-based memberships, $1.3 billion from 12 massive international exhibitions, $500 million from major television and media sponsorships, with the rest filled in by our services and auctions. It is a massive, multi-engine wealth generator.
Now, as an investor, you're probably asking about the downside, right? Well, here is our ultimate risk reversal. Let's look at a highly conservative scenario. Even if Holol realizes just 10 to 15% of that target in year one, revenues still range from $310 million to $465 million. That effortlessly covers all operational capital and still provides highly attractive returns. It proves that the math here is rock solid. This model is wildly profitable even in a worst-case scenario.
Moving into Section 5, funding and expansion.
To launch this powerhouse, we are seeking a total commitment of $150 million in exchange for 20% equity. But to ensure operational stability and maximum safety for your capital, this isn't a lump sum ask. It's smartly structured across three $50 million tranches, spaced over 6 months. This prevents any early liquidity pressure and aligns the funding directly with our real-world operational milestones.
Let's break down that first $50 million tranche so you can see the precision of our planning. $12 million is dedicated purely to media and television production to build massive hype right out of the gate. $9 million goes to launching local operations in our first 15 target countries, and $7 million is set aside for platform and app development. The remainder is carefully spread across securing our elite partnerships and maintaining operational reserves.
And the expansion strategy? It's aggressive, but it's entirely mapped out. We start with 15 high-value countries in year 1. Places like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, the UK, Germany, and France. By year 3, we scale that to 60 countries. And by year 5, Holol aims to be operating in 100 countries worldwide. This timeline really anchors the massive, unstoppable scale of the Holol vision.
Finally, let's wrap up with Section 6, the opportunity. You should know we are absolutely not starting from scratch here. The vision is drafted, and digital platform prototypes, including an initial application, are already in development for operational testing. We have an active promotional platform that's driving real early interaction. And maybe most importantly, the project has already engaged with major developers and institutional players who have shown immense positive response. They are ready to partner the second the financial framework is complete, the market validation is there, and they are hungry for this. This isn't just an idea. It's a fully structured, highly professional corporate opportunity. It features crystal clear corporate governance, predefined exit strategies, whether you're looking at a buyout, a secondary round, or a partial exit, and a fantastic organized dividend policy where 50% of net profits are distributed directly to shareholders. The entire structure is designed to protect, nurture, and dramatically grow your investment.
We are inviting visionary companies, institutions, and individuals to join the elite. This is a guaranteed, highly innovative opportunity to own a real stake in a global ecosystem that manages real estate wealth like never before. With 0 commissions, over 20 services, and 150 elite sports clubs and 150 investment banks shielding your capital, the only question left is, will you seize this chance to lead the future of global real estate wealth, or will you just watch from the sidelines as it reshapes the world? Let's build this together.